Funky Kev here. I'm going to be doing an unboxing video today of the FTX Outback Ranger XC, which is a rock crawler. It's waterproof, 4-wheel drive. It's 99% ready to run out the box. All you need is your AA's for your controller. It's got a 370 brush motor. Got lights for LED lights for front and rear. Multi-link suspension system, whatever that is, I don't know. I've never had one before. It's got oil shocks, I think. It's got a 17 G waterproof steering servo. A Hobby Wing waterproof speed control lamp, 25. Comes with a 7.2 1100 nickel battery. So I'm just going to get it out, and here it is, guys. And that looks really good. I went for the yellow one, but you can get it in blue or grey, I think it is. Alright, I'm just going to take the clips out, and here we go. This is what's inside. So you've got your wires going from your ESC down there for your headlights, and you've got your rear lights there. That's your little motor. It's Dean's connection. I've got the battery on charge, but it comes Velcro there, which is quite good. The controller is your standard kind of steering trim and all that there. It's got your channel 4 there and a channel 3 there, off and on there. It feels alright. So all you actually need is AA batteries to get this car up and running. And then, as always, you get your book when I get it out. You get a few bits. So you get your like extenders. I don't know if they'll go front or rear to heighten your body. Some stuff here to go around your suspension, or to raise the height of your car a bit if you want to, and some body clips. So I'm just going to put the lid back on this a minute. We'll put this over here, and here is your book telling you tools you need, just telling you general stuff, and I think maybe, yeah, at the back it tells you all your parts and everything. So that's the car. So I'm going to be taking it out, doing a bit of going over some rocks, up hills, and just seeing what it's actually like. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you all next time.